Hey there, Amber Jones here.
And today I want to show you a behind the scenes look at how we are able to calculate your online estimates. First, you fill out a short form on our website, or if you call in, we can fill this form out for you. During that process, we collect information about the services you're interested in, as well as a few questions about your home. Next, we use a Google tool called Google Earth to get a satellite view of your home. Using Google Earth, our goal is to get a view of every side of your house. This helps us get the ability to give you an accurate estimate. Another tool that we use is called Google Street View. Using Google Street View, we're able to take a look at your home and neighborhood as if we were right there driving down the street itself. Now, there are times where it gets a little bit tricky and we can't get enough information to take a look at your home, or maybe Google doesn't show all the sides of your house. But don't worry, we have two options. Option one is we might ask you to send a text message or email us a picture of the outside of your home. Option two is we can have the owner, Kelvin Jones, or a trusted member of our team to come to your home and do an in-person bid. We also do in-person bids for homes that are 4,500 square feet or larger, or if you might have a larger custom-built home. Upon completion, we will be sure to email you access to your bid so that way you can take a look online and compare all the different packages and pricing so that way you can choose the one that best fits for you. We might also add estimates or bids for other recommended services that might be useful to you. This process is done so that you can get a quick, easy, and stress-free estimate over to you as soon as possible. Remember, we are here for you every step of the way. We can't wait to speak to you. Have an awesome day.